Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products that elevate your routine without all the fluff. Today, I'm bringing you a detailed look at a product that promises to deliver salon-quality results right from home. We're talking about the Essie Gel Couture long-lasting nail polish in the shade Bubbles Only, a rich burgundy red that's designed to give you the look of gel nails without needing the UV lamp. If you're anything like me, finding a nail polish that stays vibrant, chip-free, and delivers that perfect gel-like shine is a game changer. And this Essie Gel Couture promises exactly that. Let's dive into the details so you can decide if it lives up to the hype. First off, what really stands out about this product is its simplicity and convenience. Essie claims that you can get a long-lasting gel-like finish in just 2 easy steps, no need for a base coat, and no complicated UV lamps. You simply apply 2 coats of the color, top it off with their Gel Couture top coat, and you're all set. What's even better? Removal is just as easy as regular polish. No harsh soaking or scraping required, just a simple nail polish remover, and you're good to go. Now, I've tested this out over a week-long period, and I have to say, the results are impressive. The Bubbles Only shade is a gorgeous deep burgundy with that perfect amount of shine. It's rich enough for those fall or winter vibes, but still light enough to feel like a classic, timeless color. The application is smooth and even, thanks to the patented swirl stem and curve-hugging brush that really helps in delivering a precise finish. Even with my non-dominant hand, I found it easy to get flawless coverage. In terms of wear, I noticed the color holds up well. No chips are fading for about 5 days straight. Pretty impressive for a non-gel product. After that, I did notice slight wear on the edges, but it wasn't anything that made me want to immediately remove it. The finish stayed glossy, and I didn't feel the need to reapply during the week. And when it finally came time to take it off, I was relieved to find that it removed just like regular polish. No scrubbing or extra effort required. Let's talk pros and cons, because no product is perfect, right? On the positive side, the Essie Gel Couture is incredibly easy to apply, even for beginners. The color payoff is rich and beautiful, and the shine is absolutely glossy, mimicking that salon gel finish. Plus, the fact that it's ate-free and vegan is a huge win for those of us who are conscious about the ingredients in our products. But it's not without its drawbacks. While the formula is impressive for a regular polish, I did find that after several days of wear, the polish began to show some wear around the edges, which is typical for any polish, just not quite as resilient as an actual gel manicure. Another small point is the price. It's a bit higher than some regular polishes, but considering the performance and the brand's reputation, I think it's still a good value. Speaking of value, I'd say it's a solid investment if you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting polish that doesn't require all the upkeep of traditional gels. If you're used to pricier gel systems that require UV lamps, this could be a more convenient and cost-effective alternative without compromising too much on performance. That said, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other long-wear nail polishes that offer similar performance at a lower price point. Essie is known for its high-quality standards, and this product is no exception. The brand has built a reputation for delivering consistently excellent nail care products, and the Gel Couture line lives up to that standard. The formula is vegan, cruelty-free, and free from harmful chemicals, making it a great choice for conscious consumers. Now, if you're looking for something a little more budget-friendly, there are some decent alternatives out there. You could check out brands like Sally Hansen or OPI for similar long-wear nail colors. While they may not offer the same gel-like finish, they can certainly hold up for a few days without chipping, and the price point is often more affordable. So, does the Essie Gel Couture long-lasting nail polish live up to its claims? Absolutely. It's a great option for those who want the look of a gel manicure, but without the hassle and extra steps. The Bubbles Only shade is stunning, the formula is easy to work with, and the wear is impressively long-lasting. If you're someone who loves a good glossy finish and isn't afraid to splurge a little for quality, I think you'll really enjoy this product. But if you're more concerned with budget, there are alternatives that might suit your needs without breaking the bank. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.